A Grand I-10 car bearing registration number ML05S1130 belonging to Vpp Mdc from Malki-Laitumkhrah, Deity Majaw, veered off the road and plunged into a drain in Ri-Bhoi District on the night of 8 March 2025 while returning from Guwahati. Sources indicate that the accident occurred around 11 p.m. along National Highway 6 near Quinine Village, Ri-Bhoi. Beer cans were reportedly found inside the vehicle, leading to speculation that alcohol may have been consumed during the journey back to Shillong. The vehicle was being driven by one elderly Mautho from Malki-Laitumkhrah with Deity Majaw and another passenger on board. All occupants were rushed to the Apollo Hospital in Guwahati for medical attention.